We can do it drunk. You can do it sober. What we got here? Still pouring rain.
Oh yeah, it is.
Well, it's not really. You know, this is far from pouring rain. It's raining though.
Yep. Showers.
You know.
Showers.
Yeah. That's it. But I mean, the growth is just incredible. Look. Oh, hopefully no.
I missed
Power lines, more water. There's water everywhere. I mean, any flat spot, there's a puddle. Let's just say it. Oh, look, it's wet inside. It's wet outside. It's wet on the inside. Wet on the outside. It's wet in the front. Oh. I don't know. You know what?
I like it when I make it wet.
You know what? That's what I'm thinking. You know what? Everybody's always bitching about the humidity.
That looks like a trail.
No, that's the power line. And you know what that's going to... Oh, we're going to go over rock after rock. And
then, you know it.
Oh, and then if we go this way, we go through puddle after puddle.
After puddle.
Look, here's another one.
Oh, look, this is a pretty good run of puddles.
Oh, it's just like non-stop. Oh, quarter mile mud. Nice. Wait. Window.
Oh. It's all on our bottom, I think.
Yeah. Oh. No, this looks good. This looks fun. Oh. Gyroscope beer.
Gyroscope beer.
Yeah.
Oh, you got them both?
Oh, you know the rules. You hold the wheel.
Hard body.
I'll hold the beer. Oh yeah. Oh, rock. Careful.
Okay. I'm careful.
Oh yeah, very careful. That's the important thing. We're always careful.
That's it.
I don't know when we're careful.
We don't roll the rocks. We don't.
Christ's sakes, man! What? I only got one hand.
I'll take them both.
Oh, what's this? What the fuck is this?
I don't know. It looks like a mud puddle.
This is the biggest puddle we've come to yet. Today.
Today?
Well, that's
okay.
You know.
Okay.
Yep. Ain't you scared? Ain't you gonna stop and?
Looks wet.
Yeah. Yeah, you ain't gonna have it. You're not gonna have any. Oh. Yeah, you're just gonna drive right through it. Of course, it's not even deep. Whoa. Look, you come to another puddle.
Yeah, I did. Oh, this one looks like it has a fucking
frog.
No.
No.
A culvert.
Oh. A culvert, really?
Culvert, yeah. It ain't working well.
Doesn't really. Oh.
I
Here.
don't even have any water on my floorboard.
No, that's a lot of water. All
Yeah, I'll have to get a good picture.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
I don't give a fuck. I'll send a picture to Scott and say, hey, when you going wheeling?
Yeah. Look how deep it is now.
Yeah. When you going wheeling.
Yeah.
That's right.
If there was two of us.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because look, you can see the grass.
That's fine. You can get up.
Oh. Oh, yeah. If you got big balls and go to the left.
Oh, I do. But what we want you to.
Oh, one of them trees. What the hell is that? A moose fly?
Yeah, I think so.
Look, you little bastard.
Sure is.
I'm telling you, it doesn't get any deeper because it
don't.
It runs somewhere else.
It runs right off.
It's not like the beaver dam.
No, it's not.
I can't even imagine what the beaver dam is right now.
But I wonder how recent somebody's been to the left.
I don't know that either.
I don't either. We may have to find out.
Would you? Oh, we have to roll up the windows?
Yeah, we're going to have to roll up the windows.
Okay.
We'll turn the AC on a little bit more because
the mirror already looks like shit with this. Would you? Oh, it's a little muddy. It doesn't look that bad. yeah. Now. Oh. Oh, it's deep. Look at it.
Oh, it's deep. Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Because look at where it is at the rock. Usually, you know. But she's hard bottom. You know, so let's go slow. You gotta turn it up. We gotta turn it up.
We gotta turn. Okay. What could possibly happen?
We get wet. I know my feet are gonna get wet. Because I got no hole in my board. I mean, I got a great big hole in my board.
Oh. Ow, this ain't that bad.
That's the rock Chris got caught on, and so is that one.
Yeah. Yeah, there is some in here.
Yeah, oh, there's some big boulders. But she's not that deep.
Yeah, that's not. There's plenty of them going through here, though.
Oh, yes, there are.
They ran a pipeline through here one time.
We're coming up on a mile marker.
I can't even imagine. Which means they totally cleared this and excavated it.
Yep. Oh, yeah, you can imagine.
Oh.
And then they replenished the soil.
I think it's automatic. Jeez. Oh, shit. Oh, look. We're back to the prairie.
I'm going to go right straight. And then see those rocks up there a little ways? I'm going to shoot off to the left.
Well,
We're going to really mess this up.
it's already pretty fucked up. Look at it.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Let's see what happens.
Oh. Oh, that's some vicious terrain. Watch the tree. No. Woo! Wow, look at that rock.
Yes, I'm looking at him up.
Man.
That's a
This ain't a trail. What is this?
A road.
It doesn't seem like a road. Wow. Oh, spin it. Oh, and look, this is a real mess. Uh-oh. Now you've done it. Now you've done it. Oh,
You just had my wheels cut too hard.
oh, now. Oh, just go right down in the middle of it. Sure, that's what I'm thinking. Oh, wow. Look, somebody got mired through here.
No, that's Bubba.
No, sir.
Oh, that was a touch.
Ooh-wee.
It wasn't a touch too much, but look at this, huh?
Oh, man, like
I
I
ain't been on
said.
a mud run like this in a while.
Yeah, because somebody come down through here and just...
I went first at 3,500.
You can see.
Let's go to second.
They pressed on, though.
Oh, yeah, they did.
Oh, for Christ's sakes, man. Wow. Okay. They had some trouble here. Look at the sidewall. Look,
Oh, yeah,
look at
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
Look at it. Whoa.
Here we go.
Here we go. Same problem. Wow, look at that. Shit. Oh, man. That's messed up.
2,500 RPM.
Jesus Christ. Whoa.
I'm sorry. I did not mean to shake you up. Can I have one? Before something happens.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool. Look, you can see the site. Somebody came through here and they did not have the same ride. They struggled more.
I bet. Yeah.
Oh.
This is a good one, dude. This is the fucking half-mile mud run right here.
Holy
This
fuck.
is a half-mile mud run, I bet. Or no, we won't say that because I don't know.
Oh, this is the
But
double
this is
black
a good-
diamond.
The double black diamond.
That's what it is.
In the mud trade.
Yeah. If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.